I'm Kevin with Victory 4x4. So in today's video, we're going to be installing our underseat storage molly in this 2022 Toyota Tundra. Now to get started, you'll want to remove this factory floor mat. This is just going to be temporarily, and it'll be reinstalled later once the molly panel is in place. With that out of the way, we're going to be working to remove this front plastic panel here beneath the seat. So this is held in place with 6 of these clips along the top edge. These you simply press in on the center, and then you can get a panel removal tool underneath here. This can probably be done with a flat screwdriver as well, but those should just lift straight out. Once those are removed, there's just a few clips behind the panel that you're unable to see holding it in place. So grab a plastic pry tool and just get it started behind one of the ends. And then working from one side to the other, you should be able to pop this free. Now this can be removed and either discarded or stored away because it will not be reinstalled. So for this next step, we're going to be reusing those factory clips to hold our mounting bracket in place. So you're going to need to know how to reset these. Basically, you're going to want to hold this top round section here with 2 fingers, and then placing your thumb on just this longer bottom portion, you can push straight up. That'll push this smaller round center section out. Go ahead and just gently pull that all the way back. And now this is ready to be reused. So then once these are placed down through our bracket and into their original mounting holes, you'll simply press this center round section flush with the top to hold the bracket in place. Next, you'll need to remove the battery cover here on the driver's side, along with the smaller fuse and relay cover on the passenger side. So you just need a flat screwdriver or a narrow pry tool to get behind these factory designated locations here on the outside. You can see that easily just pops up and can be set to the side. So then you can grab the actual molly panel. You'll be installing the longer 5/16 bolts into these 2 vertical slots here. And then on the back side of each of those, you'll install one of the provided aluminum spacers. And then you can carefully slide this into place, just making sure not to tip back so that those spacers don't fall off. Go ahead and get it lined up with the existing holes in the factory bracket. Once you have that lined up, grab the 5/16 serrated flange nut, reach down in here and get it started on the back side. Now you can leave these just a little bit loose at this time so that you have compliance to get both the other side as well as the top mounting hardware installed. So after you have the spacers in place along with those 5/16 bolts on the passenger side, you'll grab these 1/4 button heads and install them to each of these 4 vertical mounting slots here at the top of the panel. Now these you don't have to worry about reaching behind because that mounting bracket had pre-existing threaded nuts already in place. You just need to line these up and get them started. Now with all your hardware started, you can just make sure this is resting down tight to the seat bottom here. Grab a 5/32 hex to tighten up these 1/4 inch bolts. Then you'll grab a 3/16 hex for those larger 5/16 bolts. And then if the nuts happen to spin on the back side rather than grab, you can use a 1/2 inch wrench inside of there. Now once you have that tight, you'll just need to reinstall the plastic covers. Then lastly, you can reinstall the floor mat to complete this installation. So that'll complete the install, and now you have a nice new place to store some additional gear. So if you guys have any questions about this molly panel install or any other product we offer here at Victory 4x4, feel free to reach out to us. You can send us an email at info@victory4x4.com or give us a call at 269-459-8447.